This is TECNO Spark Go 2024, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity problems on this device. First, check if your system is either in the Do Not Disturb or Airplane modes. And if it is true in your particular case, switch both those features off either through your switch controls or through device's settings. Then what you might also want to do is to launch Settings app, then enter the SIM and Network Settings category, select the SIM card you are experiencing those receptivity issues with, and try switching off both VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling features. And what it will do, or should I rephrase it, so those features are designed to improve the quality of your phone calls using the internet connection, but sometimes under certain circumstances and in certain scenarios, those options may interfere with your ability to receive incoming phone calls to begin with. Hence, switching them off and seeing if it will bring any results is something that is worth trying out. Moving on, what you also can do in order to troubleshoot this issue is to take out your SIM card, then wipe its contact point with, or contact part or contact side with a cloth. Preferably the cloth should be dipped in some kind of electronics cleaning solution, or simple alcohol will do just fine. So wipe the contact point of your SIM card down, make sure that it's all tied up and clean, or tidy up and clean, whatever. Then return it into your phone and see if it will get you anywhere. And if that will not help as well, at this point my recommendation is that you contact your carrier or mobile operator directly, since at this point most probably the issue lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.